Good morning, children. Today we'll do English text. Lesson 9 on page 5656. You can see the page. And the lesson number 9, to the farm. Take your pencils and write down READ, read. All take out your pencils and write down READ, read. Now let us start with the lesson. To the farm means going to a khet, going to a farmhouse, going where you and what is a farm? Where you grow vegetables, where you have fruit trees, vegetable trees, flowers trees, a big garden. So where you grow grains, that is a farm. So now today this lesson is going to a farm. Today is Sunday. Joy is going to the farm. Today is Sunday. It is Sunday. Sunday is a holiday day. So Joy is going to the farm with his mother and father. And Joy is going to the farm not alone, with his mother and father. They leave at 5 o'clock in the morning. And in the morning at 5 they leave, because a farm is far away from the city. You will never find farms in the city. They are always out of the city, where it is quiet, peaceful. Then on the farm they have some animals they keep. So farms are never in the city. It is away from the city. So same way, it was Sunday. So Joy decides to go to the farm with his mother and father. So they get up at 5 o'clock and leave in the morning. They reach the farm at 6 o'clock. 5 o'clock they leave, they reach at 6. So it took them 1 hour to reach the farm. There are two dogs at the farm, and when they reach the farm, there are two dogs. The dogs get so happy to see them. They are called Raja and Rani. So one dog is a male, one dog is a female. And what were the dogs' name? Raja and Rani. They are happy to see Joy, and they get so happy to see their master, to see Joy. They start barking and they start barking. That shows their happiness. They seem to be saying, "Play with us, Joy." And they're barking and licking him. And so what was, now they cannot talk. So they show their action through barking, through lifting up their paws. Na apna pair uppar karenge. They lick you. So in other sense, what they were telling Joy, Joy, come, play with us. Joy plays with them and Joy understands. वो समझ गया कि कुत्ते क्या बोलना चाह रहे, उसके पेट्स क्या बोलने चाह रहे. So Joy also starts playing with them. There are cows at the farm. They give milk. And why have they kept cows? Because cows give milk. Papa fills a can with milk. And Papa, from home, he brings empty cans and he fills it with milk. He says, when we go, we'll take it and go. He keeps a can in the jeep. Now, when they came to the farm, they came in a jeep. So, he fills one can of milk, one dolcha of milk, and puts in his jeep to take back to the city. Now see the next page. Page 57. There are hens at the farm, and even there are hens. Hens matlab murge. Murga and murgiya at the farms. The hens live in coops. What is the home of a hen called? Coop. So they made coops for the hen. So the hens live in coop. They lay eggs. Mummy puts the eggs in a tray. And why have they kept hens? Because they give eggs, and all like to eat eggs. So Mummy, what she did, she collected all the eggs and put it in a tray. She said, when we go back, we'll take the eggs. So now they're taking back milk, they're taking back eggs. There is a big pond. It is full of fish. There are ducks too in the pond. The ducklings are very cute. Now in that farm, they even had a duck. They even had a pond where they had lotuses growing, and in the pond they had many fishes and they had even ducks. That pond was full of fish and they had even ducks, and the ducks had given their babies. What are the babies of the ducks called? Ducklings. They were small ducklings in the pond. There is a vegetable garden on the farm, and they have a vegetable garden also. Mummy and Joy pick a lot of peas. Sorry. So there's a vegetable garden, and Mummy and Joy run to the vegetable garden to pick peas. Peas matlab matar, hari matar. So they start plucking a lot of peas. Papa plucks tomatoes and carrots. और पापा क्या करते हैं? वो टमाटर and carrots कैरेट्स मतलब गाजर, वो टमाटर और गाजर तोड़ने लग जाते हैं और एक थैली में कलेक्ट करते हैं। देन इट इज़ टाइम टू गो होम, अभी टाइम हो गया घर जाने का, टू गो होम। दे रीच होम एट 8 o'clock, तो दे लेफ्ट द फार्म एट 7 o'clock इन द इवनिंग एंड दे रीच द होम एट 8 o'clock. हाउ कैन वी से, कैसे अपन बोल सकते हैं कि 7 बजे निकले, बिकॉज इट टेक्स देम 1 hour, 1 घंटा लगता है घर पहुंचने में। कि मॉर्निंग को 5 बजे निकले थे तो 6 बजे पहुंचे, इवनिंग को 7 बजे फार्म को छोड़ा, देन दे रीच होम एट 8 o'clock. मम्मी शेल्स द पीस एंड बॉइल्स द एग्स, फिर मम्मी घर पहुंचते क्या करती है, शी शेल्स द पीस, शेल्स द पीस मतलब वो पीस को साफ करने लग गई, एंड शी बॉइल्स द एग्स, एंड बॉइल्स मतलब अंडे को उबालने लग गई. ऑल यू ऑल ऑल्सो लाइक नो बॉइल्ड एग्स, सो देन मम्मी स्टार्ट्स बॉइलिंग द एग्स एंड शी स्टार्ट्स क्लीनिंग पीलिंग द पीस. पापा चॉप्स द कैरेट, और पापा फटाफट कैरेट को धो के काटने लग जाते हैं. एंड टमाटोज, कैरेट और टमाटोज को छोटे छोटे चॉप, चॉप मतलब काटना. दे हैव फ्रेश सैलड एंड एग्स फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट, और मम्मी पापा क्या करते हैं, और ये 7 o'clock मीन्स सुबह के 7 o'clock निकलते हैं, 8 बजे घर पे पहुंचते हैं. सो दे आर इन टाइम फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट. सो व्हाट डू दे हैव फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट, दे हैव फ्रेश सैलड, गाजर टमाटर जो भी वो लोग फार्म से लाए, दैट एंड बॉइल्ड एग्स दे हैव फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट इन द मॉर्निंग. दे ऑल्सो हैव glasses of milk, and they brought milk also from the farm, so they have milk and they have a fresh salad for breakfast. So the whole day Sunday they enjoyed their day on the farm, and Monday early morning 7 o'clock they leave the farm, 8 o'clock they reach home and they have breakfast. So now what all we saw on the farm, they have 2 dogs. What are their names? Raja and Rani. Then they have cows which give them milk. Then they have hens which give them eggs. Then they have got a pond which is full of fish and ducks and even ducklings. Then they have a vegetable garden. In the vegetable garden they've got vegetable growing. Mummy brings back peas, tomatoes and carrots from the vegetable garden, and then they come home and they enjoy a good breakfast with fresh salad, milk and eggs. So children, you all understood the lesson. All will read this lesson and tomorrow we will do the back exercise. Thank you children. Have a good day.